Here we are, back to Noah's Kid City. And today we're going to be reading a story, and it's called Antur, drychfilod, Sbwt. And here's the covering. This is Prosiect X. One of my friends, Archie, got a first book for me. So here we are. Yn y stori yma, Sbwt, tad Sbwt, chwilen goriniog. Chwilen goriniog. Safle hir miniog, llygaid, coes and corff. Safle hir miniog means long fins, long spiky fins. Llygaid is eyes, coes is leg, corff is body. Aeth Sbwt a'i dad am dro. Stopiodd dad I gael sgwrs. O na, dim eto. Roedd Sbwt yn diflas yna gwelodd boncyf gwag. Gwych! Edrychodd Sbwt tu mewn i'r boncyf, ond roedd e'n dywyll. Bydda i'n gweld mwy os bydda i'n fach, meddai. Gwasgu ei bottom. 1, 2, 3. Mae fe'n bach. He is small. That wasn't a paddle book. So, roedd y boncyf yn llawn drychfilod. Gwych. And sudden, siglodd y boncyf, gwelodd Sbwt siap mawr tywyll. Chwilen goriniog oedd hi. It's so scary, is this part. Yeah, peace up. If it's fine, you don't need to look at the pages when they come on, okay? Roedd y chwilen yn fi gyda saflau mawr. Waw, meddai Sbwt. Fe dyna I llun gyda fy watch. She's got a watch, he's got a watch, so he's going to take a picture of that bug and then trying to run out. Flach goleodd y watch. Cododd y fflach draw ar y chwilen. Redodd hi at Sbwt. Help, blwyfol Sbwt. Redodd ei nerth ei draed. Redodd y chwilen yn gynt. Help! Daeth Sbwt o hyd I dwll bach, neud o allan a glaniwr ar y llawr. Now he's going back bigger to his normal size. Gwasgodd Sbwt ei bottom. 1, 2, 3. He's going back big. Cododd ei chwilen moriniog. Dim mor frawchus nawr, meddai. The end. Diwedd. Hope you all like that story. Hit a like and subscribe. It's the 4th book and it's blue. And 4th ones. I've had beth my drychfilod and Sbwt. I've got that book, and we could read that now. Just gonna get it. Beth my drychfilod and Sbwt. Prosiect Kids, just gonna get a little bit strange here. Right me on the screen. I know that sounds strange. Well, there's no seam of it, so it might be in my folder. Oh, that's just my book of when I tick it. So, well, I think we could read. Oh, there's one book stuck. We'll just read Sbwriel instead. Prosiect X. And here's the book. Sbwriel. Yeah, this is a really bad thing to do. Just putting rubbish everywhere. Not for us, really. Because it makes the world look dirty. Starting in it. Llawer o Sbwriel. Sbwriel ydy'r pethau rydw i'n eu taflu. Mae poffer rwy'n un yn erbyn yn Sbwriel o fwyd I hen ganiau. So, rubbish is food for tins, like bins, real bins. And you mean, look at all of that rubbish. So much, kids. So much. Yeah, I hope your world doesn't turn like this. Yeah, at least one page, you should see it, because if there's loads of rubbish on the world, it will look really strange. Edrych ar holl Sbwriel yma. Rydyn ni'n taflu llawer o bethau am rastra. So, like, you put rubbish in recycling bins, don't you? So, this is a book like about if you don't do that, and they'll show you what will happen. Beth fi, pob blwyddyn mae pob person yn taflu saith gwaith neu ei bwysau mewn Sbwriel. You mean, like, if you throw rubbish, like bugs that love stink will come to it. And then if you leave all that rubbish in your house, it'll be full of those bugs. Pa fath o Sbwriel ydych chi'n ei daflu? What type of rubbish do you throw? Papur a cerdyn. That's cardboard and paper. Poteli gwydr. Glass bottles. Bwyd. Food. That's mega naughty because it's a waste of money. So if you buy, what if I bought an apple and then I said I was going to eat it and then just leave it, then it would all go gooey and then we'd have to throw it away. That's a waste. So we would never do that. So we can't. It's very bad for the world. Ble mae'n mynd? Gall peth Sbwriel gael ei argylchu. Now it's talking about recycling. Because we got to recycle, haven't we, kids? Because what if we don't recycle them? We just throw it in bins and it would never take it away. Well, there would be cardboard bins you make. If you have metal to throw away, you just make metal bins. It's so bad, isn't it? Mae argylchu yn meddwl defnyddio rhywbeth eto neu drwy'n bethau newydd. Argylchu gwydr. So we're gonna recycle on this page glass bottles. Rhoi poteli a potiau gwydr yn y bin ailgylchu. Put glass glass bottles in the glass bin. Poteli o'r un lliw gyda'i gilydd, all together in one colour. Y gwydr yn cael ei lanhau, the glass has been cleaned, yn cael ei dorri, it's melted. Siapio'r gwydr tawf yn boteli newydd. You shape the glass to new bottles. Isn't that clever, kids? Answer? Cool. Yeah, now, you mean it's so stinky here. And if you like, so this is a very dumped place with loads of rubbish. Yeah, so yes, really bad. And rewdod. What a stink. That's what it is. All Sbwriel ddim cael ei ailgylchu. Rubbish can't be recycled. Because it can't. Mae'n cael ei rhoi mewn tyllau mawr yn y feir. Mae rhain gymaint a 40 pêl-droed. So Lei could fill 40 football pitches. Really, that's really bad, isn't it? Mae nhw'n drewi. They stink. Yeah, I don't really think that now, because I went in a rugby pitch, so there's nothing there we can see from that place. So yeah, it's just our house. So like, it's behind our bank. There's one football pitch, and we went down the way to the railway line, all the way, and Evie led us to Lee. She chose. Mae Sbwriel and Sbwriel ar Afnisbod ddim ar ôl. So if you leave rubbish, it takes ages to be picked up. Mae Sbwriel yn cymryd hyd oedd I Sbwriel. Sbwriel amser I Sbwriel. Bwyd tua 6 mis. If you throw food away, not in recycling, if you like put it on the road, it'll take 6 months to be picked up. That's bad, isn't it, kids? A can, 100 years. That's bad, really bad. Plastic bottle, 500 years. That's even more than 10. That's really, really bad. So here's where it says Latin. You can try to read it now. Sbwriel amser I Sbwriel. Tua 6 mis. Bwyd can tua 100 mlynedd. Botel plastig tua 5 mlynedd. Yeah, robins can only live like 6 years, so it's even more than that. It's even more than a living thing. So we couldn't even live that long. So what if, like, oh, slight break later, the video went bad. So I'll carry on what I was saying. So if it would be like if I was a baby and I threw something out, it would take until my kid grows up. Really. That is really bad. Now, I'm going to Sbwriel. O rhowch chi gael diod mewn bin Sbwriel bydd yn Sbwriel mewn 100 mlynedd. O rhowch chi mewn bin ailgolchi, caiff ein droi rhywbeth arall. Didoli caniau yn y gyfalion ailgolchi. Faint o Sbwriel ydych chi'n ei ailgolchi yn yr ysgol neu gartref? So, how much rubbish do you recycle at the school or at home? Because sometimes in my school, we take all of our rubbish and give it to our head teacher, Mr. Ackwin. Because once in assembly, when all of the classes come up together, we have like a meeting, but where you like get certificates and everything. But then there was one lady from the ocean who helps animals and the sea, and then there was loads. And then Mr. Ackwin thought about us. So like I took a cardboard box of Weetabix, a cereal box, well, mainly lots. cyn taflu rhywbeth, stopiwch a meddylwch. So, if you were about to throw something on the road, stop and think. Now, this boy is about to throw it on the road, but then he's thinking to throw it in the bin or recycling it. Yn y bin or neu ailgylchu. He chose to recycle it. But this is what's going to happen. Underwater seas, underwater animals breaking, no dying, and the world going dirty. And look, you mean they shampoo, lays notes, lays orange juice, lays milk, lays bags, lays pop, lays cereal, lays peanut butter, lays peanuts, lays apples, lays a teddy, a tomato soup can, a fizzy water can. It's so naughty throwing stuff. Pan rhoi sbwriel yn y ddaear, mae'n llygru pryd ar afonydd. Mae sbwriel wrth bydru yn gwneud y prif a afonydd yn front. So it makes the seas and the dirt underground, soil, all dirty. That's really bad, kids. So, yeah, I'm really sure it's going to be better. Wrth bydru, mae'n gollwng nwyon sy'n llygru'r awyr. So these bugs who like dirt, and they fly out of the world, and then they look at all of that rubbish out there. Rydyn ni'n mynd yn bryn o llefydd rhoi sbwriel. Sorry, another breakdown. So, I'm going to say rydyn ni'n mynd I bryn o llefydd rhoi sbwriel. I don't mind if you feed it, but just because on what a breakdown, so you might have forgot. Am rastraff gallwn helpu trwy ailgylchu, aildefnyddio, lleihau. Gallwn ailgylchu sbwriel mewn bin ailgylchu. Gallwn aildefnyddio papur trwy ddefnyddio drwy'r ochr. Sorry, there's another breakdown. So, if you have hyd gallwn defnyddio papur defnyddio drwy'r ochr, here it is again. Have you heard? Anoil mo, hello. Dyma stori am. So, gallwn lleihau bwyd, rydyn ni'n ei wastraffu. Paid â daflu, bwytwch Lay off fried food, but there's one boy who's eating it, and there's another girl who's wasting it. That's the end of the book. So, ailgylchu, bin ailgylchu, bwyd, can, gwydr, papur, pydru, sbwriel, taflu, trwllon y ddaear, darllen fwy, am wastraff yn am wastraff. Here we are, here's our 2 books we've read. If you want to read them, have a go at home. You can buy the books by free nearly, but they're not much because it's a learning book and Welsh. Here it is, Noah's Kids City. I hope you like it. Have a thumb up and like and subscribe. Bye!